What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. So since the time we have made the Nothing OS first impression video, we have been getting many comments regarding the issues what people have been facing. For example, green tint and black crush issues. So in this video, we'll tell you guys what are the causes and how does these things occurs on your device, and are there any fixes of these things or not. And also guys, make sure to check out our Nothing phone video, which is a very detailed video. So that video can be found in the description below. And now before starting the video, let's keep a like target of 500 likes on this video. We still have 82% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So if you guys find our videos helpful to you, then do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So now without wasting any more time, let's get started. So basically I'll be testing out on 3 phones. So here you can see towards the left hand side, this is Nothing phone 1. Center we have iPhone 13, and towards the right hand side, this is OnePlus 8. So on OnePlus 8 also we have seen a lot of green tinting issues in past, along with Pixel devices and even iPhone 13. Basically, if a device have an OLED panel, it is prone to have tinting issues, but manufacturers pretty well calibrate the screen, so there are very less possibilities that we might get to see tinting issues on the device. And to check out the tinting issues, make sure you are using the dark mode and also in darker environment. We need to keep the brightness between 10 to 15%, then only we'll get a fair idea about the tinting issues. And tinting issue can happen on any device if the screen is not properly calibrated, and there are very less possibilities that tinting can be completely fixed via a software update. So if you guys are facing that issue, then make sure you get your unit replaced from the manufacturer before the device is out of warranty. So we'll turn off the studio light and we'll check out if my Nothing phone 1 have that tinting issues or not. I hope you guys are able to see the devices in these dark conditions. So let's try to reduce the brightness little more and see whether we get to see any tinting, green tinting issues or screen tinting issues on the device. So as you can see, this is my device, which is Nothing phone 1, and personally till now on this device I haven't found any kind of green tint issues yet. There are users who have been reporting screen tinting issues on their devices, I mean to say Nothing phone 1, but as you can see here, there are no tinting issues to be seen on my Nothing phone 1. Not even black crush issues. Initially, OnePlus 8 series had these issues. So you can ignore this brownish color because nowadays most of the applications support wallpaper based theming. So that color is because of the wallpaper. So here you can see on my OnePlus 8 also there are no issues of screen tinting or black crush. So guys, as said earlier, tinting issues completely depends on unit to unit, and there is not 100% fix via software updates. You might get fooled by customer service guys, but if you are facing any tinting issues on your device, make sure you get that unit replaced anyhow, or else there is no way to fix the green tinting or black crush issues on any of the device, because those things only appears if the screen is not calibrated well while manufacturing. Though brands can try to fix the color accuracy up to a certain limit, but not 100%. And for me personally, it doesn't matter in day-to-day usage. It will only matter if you are a freak and you want to see accurate colors on your device. I personally never had any kind of issues with the screen tinting. And towards the left hand side, you can see these are the images which shows the tinting issues on the screen. So you guys can compare your device with the pictures present on the screen and also our video. So I hope you guys must have understood what is green tinting and what are the factors which causes green tinting. So my Nothing phone unit is perfectly fine with no tinting issues. But as said, if you guys are having any kind of issues with the screen, make sure to replace the device as soon as possible. So as of now, only this much in this video guys. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.